In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Outlook Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share your calendar with the right people, choose the right access level, and send a clean invitation that's easy for others to accept. Start by opening Outlook from your desktop. Give it a moment to load your mail and calendar data. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and enter your account credentials so Outlook can pull in your calendars. Being signed in ensures you're working with the correct account, especially if you use multiple profiles. Next, switch to the calendar view. Look for the calendar icon on the left side of the app. Depending on your layout, it might be along the sidebar or near the bottom left. Click it to open your calendar workspace. You should now see your calendar grid and the ribbon at the top with calendar tools. On the Home tab, find the Share section and select Share Calendar. This opens the sharing options for the calendar you're currently viewing, making it easy to start an invitation without leaving the page. If you have more than one calendar, choose the specific one you want to share from the drop-down. Many people keep separate calendars for work, personal, or team projects. Make sure you pick the one that contains the events you actually intend to share so you don't expose unnecessary details. A calendar properties window will appear. Click Add, then type the email address of the person you want to share with. Take a second to verify you've entered the correct address to avoid sending access to the wrong contact. When the name or address resolves, confirm it and continue. Now choose the permission level. Can Edit gives the person the ability to add, change, and remove events on this calendar. Use this when you trust someone to help manage your schedule, like a teammate or assistant. Can View All Details grants full read-only visibility without allowing changes. This is a safe default for most sharing scenarios, because it provides clarity without ceding control. When you're satisfied with the settings, select OK or Share to send the invitation. Outlook will email the recipient with a link to open your calendar. They may need to accept the share before it appears on their side. You'll see their name added to your permissions list, and you can always return to the same window later to adjust or remove access if your needs change. That's it. Launch Outlook, open Calendar, choose Share Calendar, pick the right calendar, add the person, set permissions, and send. You're now set up to collaborate confidently and share your schedule with the right level of control.